Inside Stuff with Martins Oloja today is on a string of inconsistencies on the Supreme Court electoral justice system. The reason is this: it is getting curiouser and curiouser that the people who vote, the people who count the vote, that is INEC, are no longer necessary, are no longer important in our own electoral justice system, because at the end of the day, we still have to wait for Supreme Court to decide the winner in Nigeria. And in the same Supreme Court justice system we have seen over the years, it began in Rivers State when Mr. Rotimi Amechi was declared winner without even one vote. The Supreme Court established this jurisprudence that it is the party that owns the mandate and not anybody. And so, he should be sworn in immediately without even standing in for election. He was not even in Nigeria at the time. He was sworn in because the PDP was said to have been the owner of the mandate and that he should have been the candidate of PDP. We moved from there, we got to Kogi. The day one governor-elect, Audu, was to be declared winner, he died. Then Honorable Faleke, who was his running mate, was said to be inconsequential, that he should not be the inheritor of that mandate. This is curious. We got to Osun State at a time. Certificate and all that was not an issue. It was raised. But again, yesterday, at the same Supreme Court, the Supreme Court said that the running mate, the deputy governor-elect, had a fake certificate. And so the governor-elect and the deputy governor-elect should go. So we'll see all these inconsistencies like that in the politics that get to bear on the mandate of our political office holders. And I will feel that people are fearful that the people who vote, the people who count the vote no longer matter. It is the Supreme Court that matters. The implications of this can be grave. One, you can just get anything at any level, just get to court, that the court can declare you a winner. This is curious in the way we just recruit our people, we recruit our political leaders, that the court is the most important, is the most important body, is the most important in our recruitment policy, in our recruitment history. Now they are shaping history for us that people who vote, people who can't vote no longer matter. It is the Supreme Court ruling that matters. That is why all these lawyers are now getting a lot of money from managing these election petitions. This one is pre-election matter that has nullified even the vote of the people. And now say it is the opposition that has won. It is not about the jubilation of opposition. It is just about how all these our leaders now emerge, courtesy of Supreme Court rulings. We are still smarting from what happened in Imo when number 4 became number 1 overnight, courtesy of Supreme Court's own ruling. And I think that we should begin to do some reflection on political history of Nigeria and the people who rule us, courtesy of the vote of Supreme Court. This is Inside Stuff with Martins Oloja, The Guardian, Nigeria.